Welcome to my tech channel, and today I bring to you the review of how do you pair the device. Well, now switch on the Bluetooth headphones using this button. You'll see the light blinking, and that's an indication that the device is on. Now to pair it, it is quite simple. Well, there are two methods, and those two methods are: one, you have to go to your settings, click on the Bluetooth, go to pair new device. You'll keep searching for active devices. Well, now the device is recognized. Click on it. It will go into pairing. Now you will get to see the battery indicator over here with how much percentage it has left, and you can also use the buttons on the side of the thing to control the volume and sound in apps. You can increase the volume and try a lot of things. Well, there is also another way of pairing. There is also another alternate method of pairing. Well, there is something called NFC on certain devices. Say on my device, I have got this feature. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on NFC, and then towards the side of the device there is an NFC tag which I will bring in contact with the sensor, which is somewhere at the back. Yes, accept, and your device is paired. Well, also there is few things to tell. Now you would like to wear headphones. Now these headphones give you good bass with treble, and it is a very balanced headset. Now amongst its disadvantages, I would say maybe it is long time wearing, as well as it is not dust and water resistant, so you may face issues. So don't take it out in those rains or any of those things. Other than that, not many issues.